are, October 10th, and it's chilly outside. The nice warm sun of the summer is disappearing. Really sucks shit, you know that? But you know, you always think about, well, I do, meals that warm you up really good. So I'm going to make something called Caracus that my dad used to make in Peru when he used to live there. It's not very complicated, but it's the best tasting thing. You know, sometimes the simplest things are the best tasting, like a tomato sandwich. So Caracus is, as you may know, a city in Venezuela. So I'm not really sure why he named this creation Caracus, but it's been around in the Burk family since the beginning of time. Well, our time anyways. And it was always my favorite. Just so damn good. So simple, yet so good. It's just ground beef, onions, green pepper, rice, and believe it or not, a can of tomato soup. How weird, right? Mix it up and it's like, holy crap, this is amazing. You wouldn't think so, but no. I kind of add canned tomatoes to mine and a few more spices, but really the original was just canned tomato soup and condensed rice, ground beef, green pepper and onion, and that was it. Salt and pepper, I guess. Amazing, but you know, I like canned tomatoes in it, and so I'll show you how I make it. And yeah, nothing beats a chilly day than Caracus.
So here's what you need to make Caracus. A green pepper, a couple onions, some ground beef, and a can of tomato soup, and that's it. And then some white rice. That's the original recipe. I like to embellish it a bit and add some diced tomatoes, another pepper perhaps, some celery. You know, anything goes. Now you want to chop it all up, just like so. Nice and fine. Add it to a nice hot frying pan, saute. And while that's cooking, prepare your rice. I'm using some brown rice here. Now that the vegetables are sauteed, put them in a bowl and set them aside. Now cook up your beef. I'm adding buffalo to my beef mixture because it's so damn good. Very expensive, but it's good. Listen to that sizzle. Chop it all up, cook it up. What an aroma. Now add some spices, salt and pepper. Some garlic. Cajun seasoning for the hell of it. It's not a must, but I'm doing it for fun. Some cayenne pepper. Cook it up. Now, once that's cooked, add your sauteed vegetables, mix it all together. And then once you've done that, add the can of tomato soup, undiluted. Then, add some tomatoes if you wish. Mix that all up. Smells great. Now I'm going to add the rice. You can leave it just on top or mix it all together like I do. There you go, the finished product. Now to cover it with a lid and let it simmer for a while to have the flavors blend, and then serve. Look at that, with a nice baguette. Excellent. Oh yeah, I can't wait to dig in.